Welcome to the DME. We're so happy to have you join the team. Here's some quick info to get you started. First, you can get familiarized with our leadership structure. You'll likely be reporting to your department's DO. If you ever have any questions, you'll want to reach out to leadership in the following order: Division Officer, Department Head, Executive Leadership Team, Executive Officer, and DOM. If your department doesn't have a DO, you can reach out to your DH, or whoever's next in the leadership chain of command. Now, let's get started on getting you set up. You should have received an invitation from our HR department with the login info for the DME website. Simply go to the website and create your account. Next, you're going to want to complete the bootcamp course for your department. Bootcamps are located on the courses page. Once that's done, you're going to want to check with your department and see if they have any additional onboarding materials that need to be completed. Some departments' onboarding materials can be found in the forum section. You can reach out to leadership if you have any questions. Once you've completed the boot camps, reach out to your department's leadership and they will send you the next steps for getting started. And with that, you can get ready to start working on projects and making the most of this internship. Here are some quick tips and reminders. Here at the DME, our main form of communication is through Slack, so it's important that you check Slack daily. We recommend that you download the Slack app on your phone. When setting up your Slack account, make sure your Slack name includes your name and the department you're in. If you're new to Slack, you can take a look at our Slack tutorial. The link should be located in the description box. Second, Trello is our project management platform. Depending on the department you're in, you'll likely be using Trello to claim projects and communicate with other interns or volunteers. If you're new to Trello, you can watch our Trello tutorial. Check the description for the link. Third, as an intern, you're expected to spend 10 hours a week on this internship. If you can't meet the 10-hour requirement, please reach out to leadership. Lastly, on every Thursday by 11:59, you're expected to send in a weekly report to DOM and CC your department's leadership. Your weekly report's subject line should include your name and weekly report for that week's date. The weekly report should include any questions or concerns you may have, the approximate number of hours you worked, what you worked on and the time you spent on each project, and what you plan on completing in the coming week. Please keep in mind that failure to submit your weekly report can lead to removal from the internship. This internship should be an opportunity for you to gain work experience, network with other interns, and develop both personal and professional skills. The internship is what you make of it, so be sure to put your best foot forward and don't be afraid to ask questions. If you have any questions, simply reach out to leadership. Many are interns just like you, who have been on the team for over a year now. We hope you enjoy your time here at the DME.